So, alright, boom. So now we reach this up. So, informer thing now. Zin, me there you say on your podcast them, we are say, yo, informer for dead. And where, you see me? So, it what happened to Donnelly, you know, I want to know if you have the same stance for the whole informer for dead thing. Because personally, me would have loved for somebody inform.
No. What me say is, we stop deal with the informer for dead thing.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not subscribe to that again because it's not in the Jamaica no good. The walk and live talk and bumbuck that thing, that's cool. It's a cool movie.
Yeah.
It's a cool movie and the music behind it, the fierceness on him face when I say it.
Yeah.
I love it. But in reality, that's bullshit.
Yeah.
These same people them where I tell the people them say, don't inform pan way.
And the same one where I do
And the
things.
same criminal them where affect the same people them where I them tell you say don't inform. So me I tell you say don't inform while me I fuck you up same time. That makes sense?
Yeah, me I rob your shop. But then no, me I tell you say you know for
don't inform. Me I rob your shop. Me I kill you. Me I kill your mother, your grandmother. Don't tell the little baby them the man them a murder. And you tell people them say not for talk. And then the people them know a lot of them really subscribe to it.
That's true.
None of them really never inform. Even if them mother dead and them people there mash up Jamaica.
Brother.
Imagine your community. Your community, a man boss grandma in the community and you're supposed to shh.
Joke thing that.
Don't say nothing.
And you know, me miss, bro, there was a time when some things can't happen, you know. And you see, if you do it, and the man in here say you're done for.
Of course.
There was a time, brother, when I tell you, say, if you're not in some community, you say, well, little girl get tech wet.
Problem.
Your name just one call upon you.
Problem.
The man them, brother, trust me, now it come like the man them is like, who are the wickedest man? And who want to do this and who want to do that? And me just find it so crazy, bro. Personally, you know, when I'm not alive, I'm kind of biased. It's when it comes to the informing thing, I just feel like some things I can shut up about. But that is some little, you see me, who climb over a mango tree and pick up some mango.
Yeah. Trivial stuff.
Yeah, man, yeah, shut up. You forgot that deep.
Yeah.
But we're going to talk about somebody's life.
Yeah.
No.
That's a different thing.
No, that's a big deal.
That's different.
There's a somebody, it can be somebody's sister, somebody auntie, somebody mother, granny, girlfriend, wife. Come on, bro.
Alright, so the reason why I really want to get rid of that, brother, and there's a reason why I even use my platform for even say them thing, yeah? Because I want to backlash, you know. I want to backlash for it because that ingrained in the fabric of Jamaica.
They love beat your bad man.
Ingrained, right? Because my name was easy to call, you see me? But it ingrained in the Jamaican society so far deep, bro, that it will take some brand new generation for this totally wipe out. That's why I'm not really too business about the big people, brother. I'm not care about them.
Yeah.
And look at you them. If you pre-my content, me I talk to the young youth them. The youth them are younger than me. Youth them are 13, 14, 15, right up to 20, 25.
Yeah, man.
When I was 25, me still need guidance.
Yep.
So even though you're 25 now, more than I, you're 25, more than I, me can show you certain things, but they can hurt longer than you.
Yeah, man.
So that's why I say, at time for we leave the informal culture. I even made a skit about it. When I say, yo, we're gonna leave, we don't teach adults because they're stuck in their ways.
Yeah, I remember that.
And then I ask the old man, I say, yo, who robbed Mr. Chincha? Everyone say, yo, move forward and so. Informal for dead.
In Jamaica, we were taught to walk and live, talk and bumbaclot dead. Hi, my name is Negus Imara, the founder of Talk and Live. In this company, we teach people how to inform by a blood clot because
we not afraid of people.
Yes, but we do not teach the adults because they are stuck in their ways. Mad Max, I will work in a Mr. Chin shop.
Boy, sir, you better move with that, you know. How many you want to kill? Informer fi dead.
So instead, we teach the children because they are more impressionable. Ask dancehall music. Juba, who thief Susie Sharpner?
Team there.
Juba, who kidnapped the young girl who's been missing for over a week now?
And him do it. And then now, I ask the youth and ask the little boy, who stole sushi sharpener? And he said, see him there?
Yeah.
Children, we need to attack the children, just like how dancehall music is attacking the children them.
Yeah.
I will not say an artist purposely make music for mash up the youth them, but it's mashing up the youth them.
Yeah.
So just like how the youth them get inspired by the music,
yeah,
we can inspire them to do some good things now. Cause right now I talk to them even about relationship. Treat the girl them right, brother. Love the player thing. Find a good woman and second down. And them thing I start telling you them. I'm not telling you some foolishness.
Yeah.
Yo, I mean, it's nice, yo.
Yeah, but you know them all beat them at the same way. It don't matter. Anything you can't win.
Anything, brother.
Can't win.
You can't win. My name was easy because
can't win.
That's why I say when I want to say and cuss my bad about them and tell them about them mother. Because anything I say, it don't matter, bro. It could be good or bad.
Me see you do one thing one time where you just say, you know, you want some good positive music or something like that.
Yeah, Jamaica need more positive role model.
Yeah.
Jamaica make the worst set of people them famous. People them who have nothing positive for contribute to Jamaica are them we are make famous. And the people them who supposed to be famous, we just push them to the wayside. We don't want to hear that. Oh, yeah, I talk about building wealth and economics, brother. I suck him, we don't want to hear that. Bumbo clad, brother, you T-boy, him suck pussy. That is the mindset right now.
Me never get so much backlash in my life. Never in my life me get so much. And look what I'm saying. All I said.
Positive.
But that's why you think. It's serious, you know, bro.
Yeah.
Look on the mindset of the Jamaican people. I said, we need more positive role model. People tell me say, I suck my mother. People tell me say, I'm dead. People tell me say, I chat too much. Me a big girl. Me a batty man.
Yo,
just because me say we need more positive role model, and then you have some failed musicians and failed actors and actresses coming to me now saying, aren't you describing yourself? Tell me how I have contributed negatively to Jamaica. Which gun me ever buy and put na use them on? Which chopping song and which bad man song me I tell you some say bust a boy head? Which one of them something them do? So it's like, you're frustrated because your failed career never take off.
Yeah.
And because this video is getting a lot of reshares and it's going viral at the moment, you're angry about that. Take out your failed feelings on somebody else, not me.
No, you know what they want? Some jelly water.
Jelly water wash off your heart.
Yeah, man, God.
How can somebody be saying something positive
and you're so upset about that?
That's the mindset.
But what's your joke? Make it live on the internet and I say, bang if you're banging lying, and you have to do this, yeah, God, you know.
God.
God, you know, hurt, bro.
No, the man ever said, spit that girl them out too.
You see?
Everybody say, yay!
You see,
but me say, we need more positive
you
role
see blood clot, you see sitting with a girl, I think two girl have ensure. Another girl goes and I spit it the next girl mouth to her teeth. You ever see that? Brother, listen to me no man. All the years of me live in Jamaica, me I do my thing, I ain't never seen nothing like that yet.
Crazy. It's crazy. And it just so happened that I come to the realization that the adults them were used to talk about our music, them right. They were right. That was the shock value of their time. Now the shock value of our time is pretty ridiculous.
But our one, but the thing is, you know, our one did. I'm not gonna lie.
It did bad. It did bad.
Our one did bad, you know.
Not to us though. Just like this current situation is not bad.
I feel like for them can't no bias, bro. I think for them thing worse, dog. We don't know. I think for them shit worse. That's just my opinion.
It's getting worse. I would say it's getting worse.
Yeah, because it now go get. Remember, you know, I don't even think I'm going to brother. So we did already have a little incline. Yeah, but we never reached we're end part. It's about for them thing. Brother, even when it comes to quality of music, we're gonna talk about dancehall music. Yeah. But even when it comes to quality of music, bro. Me like only for Skilly Bang song them.
Yeah, as I do.
You see me? But like Skilly Bang himself saying on an interview one at a time, he must say, yo, when he put out the good song, the thing them are full of lyrics. It have the body and the, you see me? No one not paying attention to it. But as soon as the dog say, playing Just Crash with the coke, or the dog say, scope on my Glock, it all get remixed.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I not understand this. Bro, when we are growing up, bro, remember say dancehall did different, you know?
Yeah.
First, let's talk about medleys. Cause that's what I think you see the medley. One producer, drop a rhythm bad, everybody want a voice.
20 artists.
Me for tell you, and watch you joke now. We did almost always look forward to the Cartel, the Idonia, and the You're Busy, and the Vado. You might have some other artists now who come give a bang upon it to you know, Teflon might come give you something.
Surprise,
Yeah, Bremer might come give you something again. Wasp might come give you something. Einstein. But now, everyone want them own beat.
Yeah.
Everybody want them one thing. Everyone want said them unique per se. When it's like,
yeah, right.
And unique, bro, because you go sing about chopping on a different rhythm.
Thank you.
You go sing about chopping on a different rhythm.
Thank you.
Plus, in terms of auto-tune and how the vocals sound, none of them sound the same to me.
Same.
I'm gonna be honest, bro, call me all, but I can't tell intense different from high water, you know. But right now, I'm like you told them the same thing.
Yeah. Sing up on them nose. I can't tell was the last big artist to sing up on them nose. No, everybody has sing up on them nose.
Brother.
Peanut trash. Can any match?
Yeah. Oh yeah, peanut.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yes, so Cartel is in their nose. When the Cartel is the DJ, then they start sing and then them go in their nose. Them youth now. Same thing.
But you know, this is the part I find crazier to still. Like, not for the artists them, even when it comes to paying homage or respect to the artists them where them clearly emulate. The man them treat it like say as some like it's almost like a worship. Oh, we're not worship no man, we're not get, and it's like, brother, you have to get the inspiration somewhere.
Yes.
Because music is life. And things that I mean are life, things where you see, experiences, stories. And sometimes the story about you sometimes you tell a story and a somebody else's story.
Yeah.
But that's how the music for. So when a man who goes to bam, bro, and play it off like him have all of the original ideas and this, that, me can't get to that. Because Cartel them big up the people them before them. And Cartel them great.
Even when him and Killer did a war, him still give Killer him props. And still call him daddy.
Yeah.
Them local youth nowadays, they don't have no morals, no principle, no nothing.
Yeah, man.
So we even see where all them want them own rhythm. The reason why they want them own rhythm is because they don't want to be associated with nobody.
Yep.
Them don't have no cohesiveness. They don't have
camaraderie.
camaraderie, no unity, no nothing.
Yeah, man.
Even when Cartel them and doing them did a war, them and them voice, but same rhythm.
Yep.
But them look at you, oh no, buy one rhythm and do one thing.
And end up singing what he said, song.
You sing about chopping, dig out girl wall, and the same, you sing the same thing, and 3 different rhythm. We don't want to hear about that. And it gets so repetitive that the man them have forgotten extreme now. I just tell you, say man them have tune, man them spit in a girl them out now, you know. I must say ensure. What worse than ensure? Spit in a girl now.
You remember when you remember the video, yeah? I think I remember like a year, 2 years ago when the dog out the cigarette on the girl tongue. You remember that?
Crazy.
Take a girl tongue, the girl now straight.
All the girl are big idiot. Yeah. Look at my daughter. That. What? Are you stupid? You come and look like intense, look like ground lizards, brother. Every man a cigarette in your mouth, and people like spliff.
Brother.
Rock pies in a cigarette in a mama.
Yo.
Yeah, idiot.
Dog. Believe in a man. Call me all or whatever, but the thing different and all that.
Different, brother.
Different.
Me not like the direction it's going now. Me not gonna lie.
And you know, I'm not too busy with them though. I be a rap, I start listening to them, I'm going to respond to them, you know. Make them do what they do, you know.
Yeah.
Because at this point, you know, bro, a 1 and 2 song will come out and jump. Brother, you see like the Yaksta them. So me hear like all Yaksta them on the tune and Nation Boss them. And me hear them song, I think them so refreshing, brother. I think them sound, you see me?
Make you want to get up and do something
brother,
positive.
It makes so much sense.
Yeah.
But when me hear, on the flip side of that now, some song me hear, and then this is it, I'm not no man, bro. But me I tell you, bro, the man them just need to switch up them thing. Cause we have Marks, man. I see a video with my name, I call him Silk Boss. I don't know if you see a video, I want to go viral video, dog driving vehicle, and the vehicle a rock little. And then text it for him. And I comments, hey, you wanna cuss them dog right there, brother.
Yeah,
so can no matter if you feel like separate.
Man.
And I say, yo, first off, you to try new thing buy a vehicle. No phone I walk foot on their bus stop. So we can start right there. Yeah. No phone I drive no car.
Yeah.
But there was a time where there was a certain level of stardom where celebrity used to have a Jamaica. True. Where it used to even, you used to feel like them a star.
True.
Now the thing feel almost kinda
regular.
Yeah, come on in a way where me I take a poster bus go me yard and
Jamaica,
here is this.
Jamaicans don't respect them celebrity, brother. Jamaicans don't respect nobody. So you think them gonna respect them celebrity?
That's not true.
Look how America treat them celebrity.
Yep.
You think Jamaica will ever deal with somebody like a Shaggy or a Sean Paul, like a Michael Jackson?
That's true.
Look at the contributions Shaggy and Sean Paul brought to Jamaica.
That's true.
And nobody gives a damn about them.
I remember for you seeing thing, you know, people have to start saying, yo, oh now move so like you know make you see and be, you see me? Like a staple in a Jamaica.
Thank you.
Fastest man of the world,
Thank
man carry upon him, man carry we further, you know.
Yeah.
What them not understand is a joint effort, you know. Bob Marley do him thing, bring you out there, Marcus Garvey them, bring you out there. Zane, when you look Shaggy them, Sean Paul represent, them still a push with further and further.
Yeah.
So how is it that you now go, brother, to be quite frank, them man they have more influence than the government of Jamaica, you know?
Oh yes, I believe so too.
Believe it, you know?
I believe so too.
People more so follow them before they follow the government, you know?
Yeah.
When you see, and Carter is a true testament to that, brother.
Yes.
When them man they say desert clocks, every cripper get fling wet.
Oh my God.
You can't find clocks downtown.
Thank you. So I'm glad you said that. Nice segue to go into this now. So Cartel himself has a musician inspired style, right? Fashion. People now is going to tell me that music don't inspire nobody to do nothing.
When Carter and Mofada have them little thing,
War did at.
what did they mean?
Portmore did at.
You have to watch what you say.
Cassava Piece did at.
But check this. Them say music not influence nothing. So, okay. Why is it that the government then, when election time come, they want dub plates, they want all of these things from all of these artists? Vegas have the dub plate, the Angel of the dub plate, must be have the dub plate. Eh? Andrew turn from Andrew to Bro God.
Okay.
Zane, I wear clocks per foot.
Same clocks the Cartel thing about.
Yeah, so what they mean by no influence nothing? If private start beating clocks, you know? And why am I beat the clocks? Because I know it embedded in the Jamaican culture. You got England clocks, enough people at England, and enough of the Jamaican them beat the clocks.
Thank you.
And they know.
Thank you.
So that's cap. Anywhere them get that from, them can take that dash that way.
You have some scientists that use music to heal open wounds.
Yeah.
They use music as therapy for mentally challenged people, artistic people.
Music therapeutic.
Thank you. So, when a shallow-minded individual is going to take the accountability from the music and from the artist and say, this artist is just singing what he see, it's art. I'll be a bomber clap gunshot bust in a ghetto.
Exactly.
No promising you in a ghetto.
And not only that.
No, you can't play football in a ghetto. We don't sing about the blood clot the brains of the ghetto, the brightest youth in a blood clot ghetto. We don't sing about him. You make it seem like, oh, the ghetto is just this rotten place. Because when the government talk about the ghetto, you know, the ghetto people, them say, oh, they make it look like the ghetto is this horrible place. But no, when it comes to music now, oh, it's just art. Them just singing them art. You can't be too serious with it. Bro, what are you trying to say? You're just trying to excuse the whole thing.
What?
Everything in life have influence, bro.
Bro, them know, man. What it is that them just know business with that. Them know. When Ding Dong say, fling your shoulder and flare it.
Nobody stand up still.
And yeah, be a dancing. That no influence that name. That no make people want to dance. And Elephant Man that say, on the river, on the bar, who can dance, brother? I do it.
You have some man.
So it go.
When them do some prison documentary and the man them tell you when them gonna mash them crime. The man them listen to some grimy music. Kill, murder.
Even workout, people work out, them listen to music. Music is something what you can't escape it. I want somebody alone me know to listen to music and I want to brother. I want to listen nothing at all. Zero. Man love game and they have the game music man like. Indifferent. But for sure, music, you know, everything. It bro, your phone ring tone.
One of the biggest part of marketing is music.
Yeah.
Commercial. Catchy jingles. This is how they inspire you to buy their products. But you are telling me, say, a man we are saying for kill this and kill that. Now inspire you to kill?
Yo, you go to get to the same bad man, them not talking. If man have in earphone and listen music, I know them man they not listen to Katy Perry, brother.
No.
Them not listen to Paramore.
No.
Them man they listen to Scope and McGlock. Wow. Better believe it. You don't know where they get that from.